I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration. They make ladies see the blues. I'm the spark that makes your eye get bright. The same spark that likes the dark, so that you can find your left and right. I am the ballad in your box, the bullet in the gun, in the glow that lets you know the target of the sun. The story that we begun, the promise of what's to come, and I will remain a soldier till the war is won.
Hello all and welcome back to the channel. We finally made it to the newest railroad here featured on the channel, the Great Smoky Mountains Railroad in Bryson, North Carolina. As we rolled into town, we were met with the great sight of ex-U.S. Army S-160 number 1702. The locomotive sits posed at the station before heading out of Bryson City as it'll be hauling the Nantahala Gorge Excursion with an 18-car train coupled behind her, along with GP38-2s, 2335, and 2668 providing helper service on the rear. The 1702 was built in 1942 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works for the United States Transportation Corporation. Seen as a veteran by many rail fans and people alike, she served at Fort Bragg in Fayetteville, North Carolina. After retirement in 1961, the locomotive went through a few railroads until ending up on the GSMR in 1991, where she has called the Smoky Mountains home till this day. We head up the railroad just about a mile to the Tuckasegee Bridge as we hear 1702 in the distance exiting Bryson City. Clouds of smoke fill the air as 1702 makes good pace up to Jacobs Road. However, things would soon come to a halt, as a tree had fallen and laid right across the railroad. We behind the camera attempted to wave down the 1702 crew of the danger ahead, and thank God they stopped in time. After a controlled stop, number 1702's crew hopped down and made little haste of removing the little tree from the railroad before getting back underway up the hill. 1702 and the diesels make light work of the 18-car train, and they are now up to track speed heading for Sam Davis Road. We just barely make it to the road as we catch 1702 flying around the curve. After that, we meet back up with the train at the Nantahala Outdoor Center in western North Carolina. As we head further up the line, we're now in the heart of the Nantahala Gorge. Parallel to the railroad is the road and the glamorous Nantahala River, where you can get beautiful shots of the train passing through the gorge and the river. A common sight along the river are the whitewater rafters, sometimes waving hello to the train. Parting ways from the river, we make it up to the Hewitt's Curve as 1702 starts to finish the end of her journey. finally make it to the beautiful Nantahala, North Carolina. Number 1702 works the train to a stop before the diesels on the other end take the lead back to the Nantahala Outdoor Center. Just a bit southwest of our location here is the grueling red marble grade spanning a 4.5% grade. However, these tracks are currently out of use by the current Great Smoky Mountains Railroad. No more work needed from number 1702 as GP38-2 number 2668 leads the train back to the Outdoor Center. As the train pulls to a stop, the passengers are welcome to deboard and experience the numerous activities that the Outdoor Center has to offer. However, number 1702 is still blocking the crossing, accessing the parking lots, so it is cut off and moved a few hundred feet up the line. And that just about wraps up our trip here on the Great Smoky Mountains Railroad. Thank you for joining the channel's more rare outings. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, or if you have a question, leave something in the comments. And if you're curious about photos, make sure to check out my Instagram. There's plenty of photos for you to check out. As always, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.